I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it from me. If your Shopify store is locked after a review, follow these steps to unlock it and get back to business. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any communication from Shopify regarding the review. They typically send an email outlining the reasons for the lock and any required actions. Step 2. Address any issues. If the email specifies issues with your store, such as missing information or policy violations, make the necessary changes. This could include updating product descriptions or ensuring compliance with Shopify's policies. Step 3. Submit required documentation. If Shopify requests documentation, gather the necessary files like business licenses or tax information and submit them through the provided link in the email. Step 4. Wait for review. After submitting your changes or documentation, allow Shopify some time to review your store again. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Step 5. Confirm and lock. Once Shopify has reviewed your store and resolved any issues, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow any additional instructions in that email to fully unlock your shop. If you find yourself stuck at any point, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify support for assistance. Good luck getting your shop back up and running.